In this video I will show you how to enable new settings animated icons in Windows 11, Dev version OS build 25188. See icon are not animated. Download vivetool, extract vivetool in C drive, Windows, SYSTM32 folder, link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy and paste the command. See the features added successfully. Restart computer. After restarting computer, see icon are animated now. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.